The and, or, and not functions are logic operators that are commonly used in conjunction with the if statement. They both take arguments that are Boolean expressions and return Boolean expressions. So for instance, the and function takes any number of Boolean values, true or false, or operators that will return to either true or false, and then returns true if they're all true, and false if any of them are false. So for instance, if it takes true and true, it's true. If it takes true and false, there's a false, so it returns false. And then if they're both false, we obviously see that it will be false. The or function, however, will return true if any of its arguments are true. So in this case, we see true. If it takes true and false, it returns true because true is an argument. And if they're all false, then it's false. The not function returns the exact opposite Boolean expression of its argument. So for instance, if it's not true, we get false. And if it's not false, we get true. So these are very commonly used within the search criteria argument of the if statement to determine if something is true or false in determining which value to return. So let's try a little bit trickier example. If we wanted to test of all these students who makes the dean's list, we could use an if statement in combination with the above logic operator expressions. So in this case, we'll say that to make the dean's list, a student must either be a senior or junior and must have gotten at least an 80 on one of their two test grades. So to do this, we would obviously start with an if statement. Now our test value is where it's a little tricky. So we want to test that either they make it 80 on one of two grades and they're either a junior or senior. So we would start by saying if and then we'd want to take our first and argument is going to be junior or senior. So we'd say or. These are nested functions within each other. So the or function is nested within an and function nested within the if statement. So we'd say or, and then we'd say he is either a freshman or he is a, and that's supposed to be junior or senior. So let's junior or senior. Close our or statement, parentheses, and either this greater than, 80, or, and we need to test this. This would be an or function as well, or this greater than 80, and then that's enough for our and function. And then if C16 or D16 are greater than 80 and B16 is junior or B16 is senior, then we would return yes for Dean's List, and if that is not satisfied, then no. So in this case, I did not include quotation marks around senior, and we see no, this person is a freshman and therefore is not on the Dean's List. And we drag this down and we see, oh, there are three people who make the Dean's List. A senior with they made a 94, a junior with a 92, and a junior with an 85. So you could see the applicability of this if statement along with these logic operators in testing any number of data sets.